what is your name?
My name is Khushi Kumari.
Oh, her name is Khushi Kumari. Very good, Khushi Kumari. So now I'm asking to you some questions. Then try to speak my questions answer. Clear now? Are you ready?
I am ready.
Sure now?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to ask some question. So don't be hesitate. If you hesitate and then all in vain. So that's why please remember it right now. Okay. Then can you explain about your introduction?
Yes, sir. I can explain it about my introduction.
Okay, you please tell me.
Thanks for asking to me. My name is Khushi Kumari. I am from Jharkhand. Basically, I belong to Deoghar district and I am 14 years old. As far as my study background is concerned, I did complete my 7th class from Armita District CM School of Excellence Deoghar and my preparation is going on 8th class from Armita District CM School of Excellence Deoghar. As far as my family background is concerned, I have 7 members in my family. I am younger one in my family and I want to become a teacher and I like to study and playing volleyball. That's it. Thank you.
Wow, very good. Very clapping, clapping only. It should be clapping. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to ask another questions. Clear? Are you ready for taking the class now?
Yes.
Are you ready for giving my questions answer?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
You are ready. Very good. So you please tell me what is your daily routine? Can you explain it? Your daily routine?
Yes, sir. I can explain it about my daily routine.
Please tell me.